Sam Neill, is yours a similar situation, or is yours an actual farm?
Well, look, yeah, I mean, we grow wine, but I've also got lots of animals, and I do give them names, and I know you're vegetarian, John, it probably makes you feel slightly ill, but, you know, I have about 30 to 40 lambs every year, for instance, and I can't find happy homes for all of them, to be honest. I really want to, but I can't. But I do name a lot of my animals as an insurance policy because, you know, if you name a chicken...
Yeah.
You know, Meryl Streep, I mean, in all fairness, you can't eat Meryl Streep.
Now, you brought us some pictures of your animals. So who are these people? Or, I mean, not people, they're sheep.
Well, that's Susan Sarandon and Angelica Houston.
Which one's which?
And they adore me. Look at the love on their faces.
Oh.
Great,
And now, who are these?
Oh, well, that's Helena Bonham Carter.
Which one's Helena?
With the horns.
Oh, really?
She's a real cow. The little fella on the left is Graham Norton.
This
little fella, yeah.
No, is that really?
Yeah,
Did you just do that today?
No, that's Graham Norton.
Is that really Graham Norton?
Yeah, that's Graham Norton. It's brand new. And Helena Bonham Carter is Graham Norton's mother. And
she'll be thrilled. We've got another picture.
Yeah. Yeah, that's Jimmy Nesbitt, who is Graham Norton's father.
Can I just say, I am adorable in calf form.
Yeah.
I really should spend all my time as a calf.
Yeah.
Can you stop
cute.
fingering yourself?